Alright, so now we got to do some sanding. This is my little sander. It's got all kinds of little pieces of different types of sandpaper in there. And you just set it right on there, right on this little thingamabob here with Velcro. And you just get on there and look at that. Bam, done. So this is going to work great. I don't even need, I think I'm going to need to put second coats on here. Tell you the truth, look at that. Looks pretty good, right? I may even have time to paint it today. If I can find a paintbrush. I mean, it's not perfect, but see, so you look at this, and then when I go over it, get all the rough edges off. That actually looks pretty good. Yeah, not bad. All right, I just got to finish this area over here. Bam, done. All right, let's get to sanding it. Where'd we leave off? Right here? All right, I found one that I'm going to have to put some more stuff on. So we're going to sand it down really good. And then we'll might have to put some more over here too. Maybe not. It's not critical. You know what I mean? Really, it's not taking you very much time at all. Wow, looks pretty good. All right, I think we're doing a good job. I mean, check it out. Just sanding her down, getting her done.